Hello, my friend. It is so good to be here with you today. If you are watching this, there is a dream stirring inside you. It is a little whisper, or maybe a loud roar, telling you it is time to share your gifts online. Maybe another voice says it is too late, or the internet is just for the young. With every fiber of my being, that is not true. Your journey and wisdom are your superpower in this digital age. You have something special that no one else has. You have navigated decades of change, built relationships, solved complex problems at work and at home. This is a treasure chest of content, empathy, and authenticity the internet needs. Let us set doubts aside and get curious about how can I. Ready? Let us dive into 5 truths that set you free. Let us get this out of the way first. It is the biggest myth holding people back. You do not need to be a technology wizard to succeed online. You do not need to code or understand every algorithm. That story keeps us stuck. Today's tools are built for regular people. Start by learning one small thing at a time, like a new appliance. Read the first page, watch a quick video, try one thing. Power, temperature, timer, done. You do not need to know the wiring behind the scenes. Learn 1 or 2 tools to share your message. If you want video, use your phone and record a 30-second hello. If you want writing, open a doc and write 1 paragraph about something you love. Progress, not perfection. Small actions build confidence. Shiny object syndrome distracts us with every new tool, platform, and tactic. One day, be on TikTok. Next day, email is king. Then, build an app. Chasing shiny objects gets you nowhere. It keeps you stuck in learning mode, not launching. Half-finished projects, full frustration. The cure is focus. Choose one path, like a seed. Nurture one thing long enough to grow. Pick one core idea, one platform, one audience. Start where you feel natural. Talking, writing, visuals. Pick one. Put on blinders. Unsubscribe from scatter. Ignore hype. Your mantra. This is my path for now. Simplicity and consistency build what lasts. Let us talk about you. Really talk about you. The challenges you have overcome, the lessons you learned, the skills you mastered over decades. 50, 60, or more years. That is not history. It is curriculum. People crave genuine wisdom, not slick perfection. Your experience is valuable and unique. No one can replicate it. Think of the specific challenges you have navigated. Raised kind, independent kids? That is a business. Managed a household budget for decades? That is a business. Healed your relationship with food and body? Gold. Cared for an aging parent? Gold. Do not just teach the how-to. Share how you did it. Mistakes and lessons. Stories with simple rules beat charts every time. Write what I know for sure. List skills, events, compliments, and what people ask you about. Somewhere in that list is the seed only you can grow. In a world shouting sell, the most powerful thing you can do is give. Do not hide your best ideas. Lead with generosity. Share knowledge freely, and help people get a real result first. This builds trust, especially when you are starting out. Be the friendly neighbor with the right tool and a quick tip. Post your best tips, create simple checklists, record short answers to common questions. Be ridiculously helpful. Make them think, if the free is this good, imagine the paid. Example, a 1-page guide, 5 mistakes new gardeners make. Offer it on a simple site or your Facebook page, or go live and walk them through one decision. Give a quick win that moves them from stuck to successful. Relationships turn strangers into friends and friends into customers. Do not fear giving away too much. Wisdom grows as you share. People pay for organization, implementation, community, and access. Your generous content is the front door to your world. The dream can feel huge and overwhelming. It looks like a mountain to climb in a day. Here's the truth. You do not leap to the summit. You take one small, steady step at a time. Lasting businesses are built over time. Daily actions compounded create incredible results. Like a stonecutter, 100 taps may show nothing, then it splits. It was the accumulation. Write 1 paragraph, post 1 update, answer 1 email. Swap build website for watch a 10-minute domain tutorial. Swap create a course for brainstorm 5 lesson ideas. Celebrate tiny steps. Each is a victory. Some days will be quiet. That is normal. The ones who win keep showing up. Consistency beats intensity. Focus on the next small step. You do not need to be a tech expert. Focus is your friend. Your experience is gold. Generosity works. Small steps win. Here is a simple 3-step plan. First, choose one topic you love. Do not overthink it. Pick one. Second, choose one place to share. Use what you already have. Third, share one helpful tip or story today. It does not have to be perfect. The goal is not to go viral. Just break inertia and prove you can. You are ready. You are worthy. Everything is figure-outable. Now go take your first step. You have got this.